Union of Arms research facility is in pieces. This must have been the Outlander King. Of course he would use his Kaidro abilities to attack us like this. Kyoko, with this much disruption between the astral realm and the physical world, the void is entering our land. It's time to release the artificial relics on the clans.
But, sir, the clans are vile.
Maybe so, but they're the perfect candidates. They have astral abilities, they can pilot spark suits, and well, there's a lot of them, and they're dying to work.
Heya, Krim.
Huh? Get out of the way, clown!
Too slow!
With the artificial relics, they can unleash their full potential. Kind of like demi-Kaidros. We shouldn't use Ava and the triplets for this. We need people who are a little bit more disposable.
Be gone in the name of Gaia, you rats of the Outlands!
I'll blast your nose off, you green Gaia lover!
Emerald Hand, bubblegum violence, you don't deserve this bounty. This belongs to the true survivors of the Outlands, the Grimbone clan. As my operations officer, I'm depending on you, Kyoko.
Consider it done, Your Excellency. Alabastor Black-Flipped. I will take care of it.